The sheet bend is quick and easy to tie. Step 1. Bend one end of the rope. Step 2. Pass it through the loop you created. Step 3. Wrap it around from behind. Step 4. Pass it through the gap created underneath. Step 5. Pull both ends tight. Structurally, the sheet bend is related to the bowline. Like the bowline, it tends to loosen when not under load. To enhance security, it is recommended to add another turn to the small end, creating a double sheet bend. However, in most cases, a single sheet bend is sufficient.